In this Google Analytics regular expression tutorial, you are gonna learn what are parentheses or brackets and dot and asterisk and how to work with it to customize your reports. You click on advanced. We are already on our site content, all pages. You select matching regular expression. Now suppose we have different products on our website. We want to look at the product that is worth 12,500 rupees and look at its traffic specifically. Now this website have very few pages, but there would be cases where there would be thousands of pages on a website and you need to filter through it, sort it out and look at the information that matters for decision making. So you start by parentheses or brackets. It means that it is a group. Dot means anything. Then we put asterisk means any information within the group, and we start like that. So now you can put number or various information in these brackets. We are gonna add product, but suppose if you want multiple items like product, or you want to look at the user account, you can do it like this also. It will work. We just want to put account here. Along with the product, we want to look at the price, that is 12,500. So we, instead of putting pipe, we will straight away put the same parenthesis dot asterisk parenthesis. Then we will put the price. Again we will add parenthesis dot asterisk parenthesis. Now let's check if it works. It does. It only shows you the product and the price. Now when you edit it again, suppose you also want to look at the products that are worth 2,500, not 12,500. So you add pipe, you actually write 2,500 and you click apply, and let's see what happens now. So now you get 12,500. You also get 25,000. Now regular expressions have beginner to advanced level. You can get beginner level, but for advanced learning you need extra practice and you need to find how to work with different examples. And there are a lot of different ways you can use regular expressions on Google Analytics. So it is really moving from beginning to advanced level. Over here it is covered from beginning to medium level. When you implement it and keep using it, you will find a lot of new ways you can implement this. One way is you can use Google Analytics options and add new dimension. For example, page. If you just want 2,500 and you don't want the 12,500, you can use this. So instead of 2,500, you are getting 25,000, and you need to exclude this. You can exclude it like this. Let's see if it works. Make sure it is excluded from here. So we want to check the product that is worth 12,500 and 2,500. Click apply and let's see what happens now. So now you get products that is worth 12,500 and 2,500, and then again it is 12,500. So there are a lot of ways you can use regular expressions. You could have used the same field to actually exclude this instead of creating this, instead of creating new field, if you were an expert in regular expressions, you couldn't be using this. You could have done this from here. If you were an expert, you wouldn't need this field here. So it's just about learning and improving.